Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpenters are continuing to work on drywall top-out along with the insulation. The carpenters are also working on the stepped ceiling detail on the lower level. The electricians are continuing to rough wire and are almost ready for in-wall inspection today. The plumbers are continuing to work on the piping in the ceiling of the basement for the floor drains and toilets, and continuing with water lines on the upper floor. The HVAC contractors are back on site and installing on the first floor. The stucco contractor was here the one nice day this week to work, but is still waiting for warmer weather to continue his work. The roofing contractor was here to install the roof hatch, and they delivered the drip edge metal to the job site and are going to start putting that up any day now. The sprinkler contractors are almost complete with the upper floor and will be back early next week to continue in the basement. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.